If you want to use voice typing on POCO C75, first of all, you will have to be sure that you turn it on by going into Settings, scroll all the way down, go to Additional Settings. When you are here, open Languages and Input. And right now, you will have to go into Current Keyboard. There's the Google Voice Typing. When you go to Manage Keyboards, you get Google Voice Typing. You have to be sure that it is actually turned on, and also that you actually download the language that you are gonna use. So it's, as you can see, it actually download languages over the Wi-Fi automatically, and in my case I'm using English, so it's downloaded. But if I want to switch a language, I will have to click here and basically download another language. Then if you set up everything, you will have to open, for example, your browser, click on the search, and now on the keyboard tap on this button, accept these permissions. Let's do this one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we can click search. As you can see, that's how we can actually use the voice typing on this device. It actually works in every application.